Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to May 21st.
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today's prompt is Anti-Terrorism Day. Let's explore the values of peace and tolerance through the power of storytelling. Step 1. Share a story. Begin with a story that highlights peace and unity. Choose a historical example like Mahatma Gandhi's peaceful protests, or a fable like The Lion and the Mouse to illustrate these values in an engaging way. Step 2. Encourage active participation. Ask questions during the story to help children connect emotionally and understand the importance of empathy and kindness. Questions like, "How do you think the characters felt?" can spark meaningful discussions. Step 3. Discuss real-life applications. Talk about how the story's lessons apply to everyday situations. Highlight simple actions like sharing, listening, and resolving arguments peacefully as ways to promote harmony. Step 4. Create a family peace pledge. Work together to outline ways to encourage kindness and understanding at home and in the community. Write down your pledge and display it as a daily reminder of your commitment to peace. Step 5. Reflect and celebrate end. By reflecting on the story and your family's pledge, share how small actions can create a ripple effect, inspiring a kinder, more peaceful world. Today's activity fosters harmony, builds understanding, strengthens family bonds, encourages positive behavior, and promotes social awareness. Celebrate Anti-Terrorism Day by embracing peace and tolerance in your family. Together, through storytelling and thoughtful discussions, you can inspire a brighter and more harmonious world. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team, thank you and all the best.